All right, we're gonna take a step back in time, a long time ago. We're gonna drive a 1932 Ford Model 18 Roadster. Pretty rare car. It's a V8 Roadster. 18 stands for first, and 8 is V8. I learned that today. Anyway, that's kind of cool. It's got a 221 flathead in it. It's got mechanical brakes. It's all original, this car. Spent most of its life in museums. It was restored many, many years ago by a well-known 32 Ford restoration guy back in the early 70s. But it's a 3-speed manual transmission. It was pretty good, you know. It's got the old white wall tires on there. It's got a rumble seat. Somebody could ride in the back. So it's really like a pretty cool little parade car. You can drive this thing in a parade. You can cruise around the neighborhood. It's not a freeway car, obviously, unless you want to get honked at and be in a slow lane. But this is a good investment car because of the history. We know every owner since day one, which is also very rare to find in a car this old. But look at those giant headlights out there. It's cool too. It's black with the apple green wheels, apple green pinstriping. Wheels are in great shape. The body's all Henry steel, Henry Ford steel. Very original car. Most of these things are turned into hot rods, so, you know, which I like those too. But to find an original one like this is pretty incredible. Shifts real good, runs real good. Just don't pull out in front of anybody with it. Be coming up on you quick. It drives good. All right, we're gonna go around the corner here. We're gonna go to our picture spot and take some video and pictures for you so you can get a better look at it. All right, we're gonna take a walk around this really rare, original 1932 Ford Model 18 Roadster. So a true Roadster, you know, you take this top down, you got no frame around the window, got a little pop-out windshield there. This one also has the little seat in the back there, rumble seat, really cool. That's why they put a step on the fender so you don't mess up the paint. But really beautiful car, restored by Bud Hand, who was, I guess, really well known in the 32 Ford world. Back in the 70s they restored this car. It's got hardly any miles on it. It's beautiful. The paint's nice. It's a very old paint job, obviously since the 70s. But it's the correct colors, black with the apple green accent, the wheels and the pinstriping. Got the original giant Ford headlights on there, and this was the first V8, you know, 1932. They got rid of those little smaller engines. This is a 221 cubic inch flathead with a 3-speed transmission, mechanical brakes. Drives really good, surprisingly. I didn't think it was going to drive this good, but it does. Runs good too. Show you the interior. But all correct materials. I don't know how much of this is original. I think some of it is, but that top is in nice shape. Got the little wiper there. Factory gauges. Pretty cool. They work. Lights work. Nice door panels there. A little pouch there to put your registration in. Really cool car, and good investment quality machine. And if you like these, this is one of the best ones out there, so great looking old Ford. Here's the power plant in the old 32 Ford. Look at that, big block of iron in there, cast iron. Pretty cool. The 221 cubic inch, they were rated about 65 horsepower. The original numbers and stuff there. Chitty chitty bang bang. This is a putt-putt, man. Pretty cool vehicle. Yes, I should open this for you too. Flip that open, pull back on it, hop back there, and I don't know if it's the safest thing in the world, but you probably won't be going too fast, so pretty cool car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us. We're at California Cars, 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you this car in person and some of the other stuff we got too. Thanks for watching.